Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I think I know what's in here. I think it's this month's EDC box, which I'm excited to open because the last ones have been not only good, but phenomenal. Like, the value on it has really been excellent. So, thank you so much to, let's make sure, Going Gear for sending this in for me to take a look at. I'll link the boxes down in the description. There's a budget one, there's a premium one, and I'll let you guys know that you can individually pick these knives and items up on Going Gear. So, you don't have to get the box. You can just pick up the items if you want. But generally, the boxes will have the best value, the combination of everything. Anyways, let's find out what's in here. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. We likely have 2 packages to get into here. Oh, no, are we going to have 3? Are we going to have 4? I cut into 3 of them with one swipe because I'm just that accurate. So now, this time we have something that's sitting outside of the package. Alrighty, there we go. Throw this away, and let's get into the actual Going Gear package here. I always point this out because people, wonder, do they send the cool stuff to the influencers? And then everybody else just gets not as cool stuff. No. If you got the box for this month, this is what your box contains. Next month's box will be different. Alright, so here's what we've got. The Going Gear EDC Club. So first off, we have the AceBeam Terminator M2 with a value of $130. 18650 USB-C, or the notes I'm picking up here. Waterproof construction. Terminator M2 is ready, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's get this out, and I'll take a quick look at it real quick. Oh, good Lord. It looks like binoculars. Jeez. Come on now. There we go. Okay, so here, where's the thing out? There we go. Okay, and then, oh, you got the little indicator there. I bet if we hold it down, oh, it does change. Is it just a tap change? No, if you hold it down, that's when it changes the intensity. Very cool. And then this switch right here, from flashlight to flood. Ah, that's cool. Yeah, that is kind of, it's kind of a bulky object, but it is cool, and it does have a pocket clip. So there we go. What else does it say about it? Advanced Mosley 7-color automatic cycle. Wait, 7-color. 7-color, red, green, blue. It does have different. Yeah, these are auxiliary lights. When the flashlight is off, press and hold the tail switch for 1 second to enter. Okay. Ah, now it is green. Oh, look, and it's rotating. That's cool. So you do get the auxiliary lights with this. So I always go for flashlights that have the auxiliary lights just because I think it's fun. And it's, for me, like, I use my flashlights to go out and feed the dogs sometimes at night. And I'll leave the light on the back patio table, and I'll leave it in this rotating aux mode so I know exactly where it is. If for some reason I set it down and I'm looking for it, just because the bucket and the 2 bowls are quite a bit to carry along with the flashlight. Of course, this could be remedied by using a flashlight that attaches to the bill of my cap, but it's nice if you have a flashlight that you need to set down to just set it in this rotating mode and you can find it, and it doesn't use hardly any battery to do it. So, yeah, that's pretty neat. I actually like that a lot. Sorry, I'm sure that the video was very chopped up to hide the fact that I had to really search for that option there. So we have the Creek Bend Leathercraft leather wallet, $69, giggity. Locally handmade full grain leather wallet with super thin profile. Your chiropractor will approve. Okay, there we go. It's literally just, it's like a leather pouch. I mean, it's cool. This is the type of thing where I'm sure it's well made. Maybe it's because I'm not a big leathercraft guy, but that's hard for me to justify $70 for. I'm not sure. Oh, it says locally handmade. So this would be a U.S. made item, which would be part of the reason why it's so expensive. Where does it say there? Creek Bend Leathercraft, Atlanta, Georgia. So there we go. And it's handmade, right? So that's one of those things where personally it's hard for me to justify it, but I don't necessarily doubt that it actually is worth what it's worth, right? When you consider what it costs to make them and what they need to charge in order to make a profit off of it, right? So it's not necessarily for me, but okay. This is a Kaiser knife roll. And, oh yeah, you know what? This is going to be one of the first in a while that did not include a premium knife. So I got the knife roll. I was going to say, like, it doesn't feel like there's actually a knife in there. So the knife roll itself, they're saying, is $14.95. Okay. EDC keychain clip. I think that's pretty self-explanatory, right? It's nice having an extra key organized around the advanced biscuits, removable black nylon webbing, okay, etc. And then the only knife that's in there is the Civivi Stormhowl, which I have already taken a look at. Let me open this up. I've already taken a look at this knife, and I really like the knife. I think this is probably going to be a basic one because it's 74, right? It's not going to be the Damasteel one. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, it is really cool, though. We got the two-tone black and silver. Yeah. Great knife, 74 bucks. So, this particular pouch, this is my opinion on this. It's been a long time since I've had one of these pouches where I was a little bit underwhelmed. And I like the flashlight. I think it's cool. I like the Stormhowl. I don't really care about the knife roll, this or this or this. It just depends on the type of person that you are. So many of these boxes in a row were just phenomenal. Even if it wasn't my favorite knife in the whole world, right? The value is there. The value is still technically here, right? So this is a $200 box. We got a $140 flashlight. We got a $70 leather wallet right there. I mean, the value that they add up, it's more than it. Then you got a $75 pocket knife, a $15 knife roll, and a $4 EDC keychain clip. The problem is, for me, if I am spending money on the premium knife box, if I'm paying $200 a month, personally, I want a guaranteed premium non-budget knife in there as the primary item, right? I fully understand that I can't always get exactly the items that I want, right? And I think the value is still here, but personally, I don't want the most premium item in the box to be the flashlight. Now, I understand that the demographic for this could include people who maybe are more flashlight people than knife people. But I feel like the primary demographic for this stuff is it's like knife people first, and then people who have an interest in the other side. I think it's, I'm sorry, not knife people. I think it's the majority of the people who would be paying for a $200 EDC Club box are probably knife people. So getting a premium knife, whether it's Kaiser, Concept, right? It's one of those companies. That's probably the main thing there where they feel the value. So it's a lot harder for me to feel the value of this one, even though, you know, if you go and check the individual prices of this stuff on Going Gear, yeah, it's going to all add up. This just wasn't an exciting combination of things, right? If I was a person, I'm obviously not, they sent this to me for free, right? I'm obviously not paying for it. But if I were to, you know, consider myself, if I was going to consider the position of somebody who is paying for it, this would be an underwhelming box. But, you know, they had so many good ones in a row. It was like over a year of really, really great ones. This one, honestly, is just kind of right? Cool flashlight, it's fine. This is all stuff that's going to get given away. But Going Gear, if you still watch my videos, I think you guys need to put a priority on including a premium knife, right? Not for the budget one. I mean, obviously that one should lead with a knife too, just a less expensive one. But for the premium one, you guys got to be including a premium knife every time. And then put the other stuff in there. But I'm sure there's more factors there. They consider their inventory and what they can actually make money on, right? I get it. But premium knife should probably be the priority. That's going to be it today, guys. Links in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.